Hey everyone, I just got the Heavy Hitch double bracket in the mail. Can't wait to put this thing on. I'm like a kid on Christmas. This thing has some absolutely gorgeous welds all over. And this is the garage full of projects. Everything's broken except for the tractor. First thing I gotta do is drop off this backhoe. I got the big expanded cart, makes it so easy. Then to put the hitch back on, I made my own cart. So let's get started. If you hear a lot of background noise, got critters trying to get in the garage, dogs and chickens, they just love it in here. Oops, I forgot the sway links. Now it's all done. Hey, for anyone wanting to know about this cart, it's just some scrap lumber, 2x6s on the bottom, a Harbor Freight furniture dolly, vertical 2x6 and some 2x4s. Sort of hold things in place. And I put a bar mag down here to hold some pins, my smallest little suitcase weight. And I'll take some measurements and I can put the dimensions in the description. Now what I've got left to do is to make this thing quick hitch compatible. I've got my spacers for the top, bottom bushings, and the pins haven't been installed yet. Now the top link bushing, the outer one just barely goes in, but I'm actually going to grind this one down. All these pins are not on the attachment. I'm going to go ahead and put the bushing on with the roll pin with the vise. This might not be a way you would want to do it, but 1,000 ways to skin a cat, right? Now, that's just a little bit too long. I'm going to go ahead and grind that down. Awesome. Now that the top link bushing is cooled off, I can go ahead and touch it. One cool thing about the double bracket is you can actually fill the inside up while it's attached to the tractor. It's a whole lot better though if someone has the matching cart that goes with it. I couldn't afford it today, but it's on my Christmas list hopefully. Maybe someone will think of me. Now with the total 8 weights that I have, that comes to 336 pounds. The double bracket heavy hitch is supposed to be about 62. And the eye match, I think, is about 70. Not 100% sure on that. That would give me 468 pounds of ballast, which isn't as much as I should have, but it's pretty good. It'll work most of the time. Now, if anyone's wondering why I bought this when I have a backhoe that's awesome ballast, I'll put up some video on screen. I'll show you why it's inconvenient sometimes. It just drags the ground sometimes. I hit inclines, ditches, uneven ground, and it kind of causes me to get hung up. Reason number two, I wanted a trailer mover, and just a trailer mover at Tractor Supply was $299, and that's the only thing it did. This is actually two functions for barely $100 more. Plus, now I can use things like the root ripper and a few other gadgets I want to put in the 2-inch receiver. Now, this is a pit that I dump compost in, leaves, wood chips, everything. Deeper than it looks. Maybe 2 feet, 2.5. And I always drag backhoe when I go through here. Well, that was exciting. Anyway, hey, that's all I have for now. Thanks for watching.